So I'm going to show you two of our flutterers and one of our garden stakes that I have. I have the multi-sun garden stake, which is really pretty. They have these little bells in the middle, and you can kind of set these up how you want, long ways, or you can have them close together, a little spread out, kind of however you want. It's a little bit of a thicker wire, so you cannot do what you can do with the flutterers, which what makes these Whimsy flutterers. This is our butterfly Whimsy flutterer. What you can do with these little thin wires is you can bend them to make it even more whimsy, even more fun. This is our Dragonfly Whimsy flutterer, and I have these ones bent. I have not bent these ones yet, but to show you how easy they are, I figured I would film it. So all you do, I'm just doing it with one hand. You can just take your thumbs and you can kind of curve and then move your fingers up, curve and move your fingers up, curve, and just keep on doing it. And this is how easy it is. I'm doing it with one hand. And of course I recommend using both hands because then it's even easier, but it is fun to kind of shape it how you want. You can do some straight, some curved, you can do all curved, all straight. It all looks really, really good.